Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing a new series to our YouTube channel here where I'm going to be going over Juniper's Uinta software. And what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be creating a cloud project. So what a cloud project allows me to do is it allows me to have an updated project in the field and in the office. So any changes I make in the field will be updated in the office, and any changes in the office I make will be updated in the field, and both of these updates will be done in real time. So this makes it a super convenient piece of software if you're looking to get rapid on-the-ground deployment of your projects and getting rapid updates back in the office. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how to create that cloud project. So what I've done is I've opened up Juniper's Uinta, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the plus button in the bottom right corner. That's going to open up my Add Project directory, and in my case I'm going to select my third option here, Cloud Projects. That's going to open up my project creation, and what I'm going to do from login, I'm going to go create project, and I'm going to give it a name. In this case I'm going to name it the ever so aptly named Benchmark Test. Very creative. I'm going to give it my email here, and if you ever have any support questions or any questions about any of the software or anything on the YouTube channel, you're always welcome to email me here at nolan@bench-mark.ca. And then in my password here, I'm going to create a password. I'm obviously not going to tell you folks exactly what it is, but I will create this random password. And you should note here that the password must contain at least 8 characters, a number, and a symbol. And once I have confirmed my password here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit submit. That's going to open up my options for this new project here. You can see it's initializing my cloud database, and you can see I now have a name associated with my project, but I can also change my color and icons. This makes it just really easy to quickly choose the projects you want. You can filter your projects by what kind of type they are, but in my case, I'm just going to use this basic template here. I can also choose from previous projects and previous templates. I'm going to leave my color and icon as is, as it's a very fitting orange that matches aptly our logo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that check mark there in the bottom right corner. That's going to initialize my cloud database and create the project here, and I'll be taken to my map screen where I can then connect to a device. Now, I don't have any devices set up right now, so I'm just going to close this window, but you can see here I have this nice map of the United States and part of Canada, and what I can now do is begin to perform my survey or my data pickup. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a cloud-based project in Juniper's Uinta software. And as this is a new video series, I just want to mention, I'll be putting out a new Uinta video every Friday at 9 a.m. So we should have 4 videos a week now on our various different software packages. And if there's something specific you want to see, please shoot me an email at my email included earlier in the video, or to support@bench-mark.ca. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.